product that you will create, whether ebook, audiobook, video courses, should solve a problem. Because it is a selfish way to become an entrepreneur. If kung meron ka lang idea, itong idea ko, I'm just gonna release it to the market and sell it. That's a harder way. It's like, it is hard to create a product and find a buyer than say, find a buyer first, then create a product. Do I make sense? So ulitin ko po, it is hard to create a product and then find a buyer. It is much easier to find a buyer first and then create a product for them. That is the difference between a successful business versus business na mag-fail. So, yung module 1 po natin sa members area, that is finding these buyers, going to Facebook groups. What are their pain, challenges, frustrations? That is one thing. Number 2, kung hindi nakabenta, they just gave up quickly. That's it. Kaya nga po sinasabi ko, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Because you're learning your skills. That's the thing. You have to learn first some skills. Okay? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.